Hello, my name is Jonas. This is the second part of the tutorial series for the feature Control Advisor that was introduced in Simca Online 13.3. The series consists of three parts: the definitions, how to create the forecast model in Simca, which is this tutorial, and how to configure and run the Control Advisor in Simca Online. To create the forecast model in Simca, you have to open the dataset, hit the batch evolution model, expand the dataset and create and fetch a batch level PLS model. I will show you how this is done step by step, and this tutorial with the dataset can be downloaded from the download section for Simca Online. First, open the dataset in Simca, click File, New Regular or Batch Project, and select the file Baker's Yeast imputation.xlsb. This dataset contains 33 batches and 12 variables. The time variables will not be used in this tutorial, but they will follow in the import. The temp SP and air SP variables are the two quantitative manipulated variables, and variables 2 to 8 are the dependent variables in this dataset. Click Finish. To fit the batch evolution model, select it and click on AutoFit button. Now we have to generate new variables for the batch level by clicking on Generate Variables and typing V1 through 7 and click Finish and to close the dialog. The dataset is now expanded and can be used in the batch level, but we need to simplify our lives a little bit and rename the new variables. Open the worksheet and select the dependent variable names and copy them into another editor. Add _xd for each variable. Copy the new variable names and paste them on the generated variables in Simca. Now we are ready to create batch level PLS model. Go to the Batch ribbon tab and click Create Batch Level. In this example we will not use duration or endpoint, so that can be removed. Click Next. Add the new generated variables and remove the time variables and click Finish. Now we have to set all of the dependent variables to Y variables for all time points. Find the Y variables by typing _xd in the find field and use find containing. All the expanded data for all time points should now be selected. Click on Y and click OK. Do not exclude variables from the workset if you get that question. And then you fit the model by selecting it and clicking on AutoFit again. Optionally, you can also rename the models so that their identification will be easier in Simca Online. For instance, the batch level PLS model could be named Forecast Model. This concludes the second part in the tutorial series for the Control Advisor. Thanks for listening.